Right, okay, so this is a tick box question, okay, about web. So Brian is creating a website for a sports club and he's going to tick whether the following statements refer to the behaviour layer or the content layer or the presentation layer. So there's 3 layers, okay, behaviour, content and presentation. So the format of the whole web page is, now that is what the web page would look like. So if you remember, I discussed house style, house colours and so on. So obviously that should already be saying to you that would be the presentation web layer. Now, consists of navigation pointers. Okay, you may be thinking that that could be a behaviour. Well, it wouldn't be. Okay, that would be a content, because that is something that is contained within the website. You need navigation in the website to be able to get around, so that has to be within the content. Now, defined by CSS, cascading style sheets. So as we know, what the cascading style sheets does is they help you create your house style. So when you've used the cascading style sheet, you've used the H1 for the headings. Okay, you've changed background colours. You've changed what the table looks like. And then when you attach that to the website, that's when you can actually see what the website's going to look like. So therefore, that would actually be a presentation, because you're changing the colours, you're changing the font styles, and so on. So the last one here is entering scripting language into the website. Now, those are things that are going on behind the scenes. Okay, so that would be a behaviour. So that would be the JavaScripting. So for example, that could be if you put scripting in to make a submit button work, that would be a behaviour. Okay, so that's why that would actually go in behaviour, because the scripting language is what goes on behind the scenes to help our website work.